Well, Union Home Minister Amit Shah addressed the 69th plenary of Northeast Council in Shillong today. Chief ministers of Northeast states attended the crucial meet. Interstate border issues and development issues concerning the region were taken up for discussion in the meet, where the representative from each state shared the progress of their developmental projects besides concerns. And talking to Northeast Live after the meeting, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu took exception to what he termed a misleading reports of China setting up a village in Arunachal Pradesh.
I think this news article I have also seen in television. I think this has been misled by some of the leading television channels from India, because the part which they have shown Chinese making villages along the borders, it is way back in 1959, in which Chinese is under Chinese occupation only. So they have developed a colony in their own area, which they have been occupying since 1959. So I think the news agency has misled the nation, and they have shown that they have entered Arunachal, which actually it is not. It has been under their territory since 1959.
Because recently also in Beijing, the Foreign Secretary of China had also made claim that that these buildings had existed, and we don't recognize Arunachal. So what is your reaction? It's because this claim is continuing in fact.
The claim on China to Arunachal is totally illogical, totally baseless. I don't consider their claim over Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is one of the most patriotic states in the entire country. We greet our visitors, our guests, like saying Jai Hind. This is totally a false claim by Chinese. I think our External Affairs Ministry, they will be taking well care of this subject.
And on the interstate border issue, Khandu informed that Chief Secretary level talks are underway with Assam. He added that state police is initiating action against insurgent forces operating there.
Basically, I have raised only one point. Rest of my points have been circulated in my speech. If you can obtain it from my speech also. The thing is that NUC Council, which has been established by the Act of Parliament in 1971, needs to be strengthened.
That's true.
Because northeastern states, we have immense, tremendous challenges as well as potential areas also. So if Northeastern Council can come forward as an regional planning institute, then I think it will be beneficial for entire Northeastern states. So this is one point that I have raised in today's plenary session.
Okay, Premaji, from what we understand is that the Home Minister had asked all the states who's having a problem with Assam, the boundary dispute with Assam, to resolve.
Yes.
So you also have this problem with
in fact,
Assam.
this matter was raised by Honorable Home Minister last year also, in 2019 in Guwahati. So based on his advice, we have already started our talks with our counterpart, Assam government. And in the official level of both the Chief Secretary, Assam and Arunachal, they had two sequences of meeting. So right now Assam is in election mode. So after election of Assam, I will be again taking up the matter with government of Assam.
Can you also tell us that insurgency is still there in Arunachal Pradesh? So what are the initiatives and suggestions from our minister?
Insurgency, as of now, actually, we don't have our own insurgency in our state. Some part of my eastern side district has been affected from militancy, from NSCN and all this in 3 districts. And so to counter the insurgency, our state police force along with the paramilitary forces, we are taking good actions now.
Meanwhile, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said interstate border issues will be resolved amicably between the neighboring states. N. Biren Singh also said that while poppy cultivation is a cause of big concern in Manipur, he has suggested an alternative to it.
Border issues between the state versus state, that will be amicably settled within the state authority. Then only, and other we raise the issues of bordering with the Myanmar. This immediately we need about fencing. The fencing have already started some part, but some part is leaving bar. So उसको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए बोला Baki, in my state, poppy plantation is very concerned. I raise the issue for alternative arrangement, alternative livelihoods. And the other is Honorable Union Home Minister draws emphasis on development, and the state should try to increase their revenue, own revenue resource, like it.
So when will this dialogue start? Because you have a problem with Assam, even with Nagaland also.
No, just dialogue is internally we are going on. But Honorable Union Home Minister emphasizes that this should be sorted out as early as possible. That was the
Don't you think this needs a central intervention?
Amit Shah's desire is better to solve within state to state, because he doesn't want to interfere, because it's a part of nation. So that is it.
What about insurgency scenario? Anything in
Insurgency, most of the insurgency is under SHU, suspension of operation, few lab out, but he appealed to the all chief secretary to initiate for dialogue with the remaining UGs also. So, both center and the state government will have to pursue what is happening.
And Meghalaya Chief Minister Kongrat Sangma also informed that various developmental issues were discussed during the plenary. Bigger responsibility to NEC was also discussed.
The NEC meeting also, there were a lot of discussions that took place regarding the development issues. And a lot of positive suggestions came out from the Honorable Home Minister. One of the most important points that was mentioned in the meeting today was regarding certain steps that need to be taken by the Northeast states themselves to improve the overall situation out here, apart from the fact that Government of India is doing its best to support us in terms of finances and policy. So one point that came up very strongly was regarding the border issue. And the Honorable Home Minister has very clearly stated that when Bangladesh and India can resolve the border issue, why the Northeast states, which is within the Indian boundary, cannot resolve the issue. So he has urged all the states, with a special focus, of course, on Assam, because most of the states have the issue with Assam. He has requested that by 2022, and August 15th, when the Honorable Prime Minister gives a speech on the 75th anniversary of India's independence, that Northeast states should resolve their boundary issues. And he made that very, very clear in the meeting today. He also urged that other groups that are there, the militant groups are there. He has urged all the states to ensure that we are able to bring peace in the Northeast, and why the issues with these organizations also cannot be resolved. So these were very two important points that were mentioned in the meeting today by the Honorable HM. And apart from that, all the states have expressed their concerns regarding development and the different support they require. And most chief ministers stressed on the more active role of the NEC in the